Question of the day, Medicare credentialing. Medicare offers centralized credentialing using PAYCOS. You've seen the front end of this system because it's connected to the MPPES system that manages and issues your MPI number. While it's impossible to thoroughly discuss all the nuances of Medicare credentialing, we can talk about the best practices and a few frequently asked questions. So, a quick shout out to our partners at TherapyNotes for sponsoring this question and answer series. Again, you all know how much I love how seamless and intuitive TherapyNotes is. I also love that I can use it to run the entire practice. So, try TherapyNotes for free for 3 months by going over to therapynotes.com and using our community code MIMH. Medicare credentialing is centralized to the extent that we all apply for Medicare credentialing through PAYCOS. However, the application is then reviewed and managed by regional contractors. Medicare requires that you have a business entity other than a sole proprietorship. They also require that you have a physical office for your practice location. Their system's connected to a GIS database, and it is smart enough to kick back a premium UPS address. Also, listing a PO box as a practice address, it's fraud, y'all. Medicare requires that you complete an 855I to register the organization as the billing entity. The group holds the contract and all payments flow to the group. You can then complete an 855R, a reassignment of benefits for anyone that will deliver services under that group. The reassignment of benefits tells Medicare that for all services rendered by this provider for this practice, reassign those benefits, aka payments, to the associated billing organization. Medicare requires that you submit the following things at the time of application: your W-9, your EIN letter from the IRS, a voided check or bank letter, your malpractice insurance, articles of organization, and all of your applicable licenses. And in the event that you have a license that requires an MD as a coordinating partner, you also need to update the cooperating agreement. And make sure you update that and attach it to your application. Missing any one of these steps will result in your application being returned and denied. The good news is that Medicare is fairly efficient with processing applications. I hope this brief overview was helpful. Let me know if you have questions you would like us to answer. You can submit them at qa.masteringinsurance.com. Don't forget to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and inside the Mastering Insurance community, and I'll see you next time.